61A Lecture Number 29. Announcements. Homework 8 is due tomorrow. There's a workshop tomorrow from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. in 430 Soda, which is Wozniak Lounge, on how to do web development in Python. The reason this workshop exists is that some students are interested in joining the project fair at the end of 61A and want to build something web-based. So I asked a student group, Codebase, to give a little workshop to help you all get started. So if you're interested in web development in general, or you're working on a project for the project fair, I encourage you to show up. You can submit revisions to your Maps project by Friday, and the Scheme project is due 2 weeks from today. However, you gotta get started before then. We've extended checkpoint 1 to Monday, and the first checkpoint is only 2 questions, but they're tricky tree recursive questions, and so I recommend spending some time on them. Checkpoint 2 is a lot of questions, and so it takes a while. It's due next Thursday. Now, if for some reason you miss these checkpoints, it's not catastrophic. Each checkpoint is worth 1 point, but it's really a good idea to stay on schedule so that you can finish the whole project on time. And if you finish the whole project early, then you can get an early submission bonus point by finishing before Tuesday the 13th.